Objectives for Class 12 Public Administration Unit 2 Central Government Explanation when I on Soilang. Number 1. President is nominal head. President hi Ming chawa omani ataka nalen chu tu ani velo ni ti kha answer chu ni nominal head kan underline kha board exam aron kal the ani objective in. Number 2. Prime Minister is the real head. Prime Minister hi alu tak le thu poimo von tu ania ataka nalen chuak tu le ataka thil reng na poimo zukti tu ani tina soini. Number 3. The President of India exercises powers on the advice of the Council of Ministers. President of India hian athunei na reng akeng ko te hi Union Ministry Sarkar lai pui atangin Council of Minister zong omkhom te khan an advice in unfil tonin unfil fia chu the tang chuan unfil atang chuan anin power kha along mang thin tinani. Number 4. Union Council of Ministers kanti Sarkar lai puya minister ho zong ho tu chu Prime Minister ani Prime Minister ka kan underline ani. Number 5. India Constitutional Amendment Act 2 nga the 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976 khachuan President of India hi Minister ho zong Sarkar lai puya minister te thu ron na tangin thu anain thu alen suak turani tina soyani. Number 6. President hi Electoral College na thangting ani President thantin na kha enge kan ti chun Electoral College tinan soi thin ani. Number 7. Electoral College a hian tu tenge le President thang tu Electoral College a hian House of Parliament Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha kan ti dan siama thut khom na New Delhi in pui sang zok Rajya Sabha le a in te zok Lok Sabha te ni chuan State Legislative Assembly State dang zong a MLA te na hi asoi boka chuan Legislative State chunga Delhi a Legislative Assembly dan siama thut khom na le Pondicherry ami te khan President chu an thang thrin ani khami chunga khan khang zong kha oma Electoral College ti nan ser thrin ani. Number 8. President ni tur hian kumingzat nge ni ngai le India President ni tur hian kumsom thum pangatal ni angai. Number 9. President hian kum nga chungin office alu thrin kum nga chung office a thu thrin ti ni. Number 10. President hian office atraina bandonin tu ne na nge bana lekha the luang ziak le chirin Vice President ne na bana lekha the lu tang tina ni. Number 11. President hi impeach ban the ni intin nge Constitution of Palzuta terrorist te ho ne lo thokru da an lo thokhawa lemhlet na le mi pong sol chungchang te bung robo chungchang te heng zong ramdang ne na diklo taka cocaine heroin lo tol ru ang chia ai nam noi hlau ani chuan President hian Constitution kan India dan puya palzuta ti chuan impeach ban thei ani. President can be removed from his office or impeached due to underline violation of the Constitution. Number 12. Ani chuan President hi ban thei ani na turin engangin nge kallang Parliament dan siam na thut khom na a Rajya Sabha le Lok Sabha mi te in vote an peng amar chu vote kha 2/3 majority mi mun thuma thena mun ni tal kha an ban donin vote kha an siam ngai ani. Number 13. President hi office atanga ban ani mo amana du thua hrisel lo na wanga office achol sananin tharuk aya tlem lo chungin kha office President India President thar kha an thangang midai ran luang ti ani. Number 14. President hian Rajya Sabha dan pui India dan siama thut khom na a chung zok a house lian zok a in lian zok a mi som pani a ruat thaya heng ho hi mithiam tak ziak le chir thiam te sign satang ten le community service khotlang ta na lo thok to le rail ball na frame heng ho tang hin a thlang thin ani. Number 15. India President hian Lok Sabha hian tu Anglo Indians a thlang thei ani chu India le British thla pol tin kan soi theang. Number 16. President hian Lok Sabha meeting hi ati topi ne mo achol tir thei ani money bill kan tip number 17 sorry number 17 money bill kan ti poisa bill hi lower house Lok Sabha atang chi in om the ni. Number 18 general bill kan ti hemi bill zong zong hui da na siam ani hun chu engti nge niang president in apompui assent of the president ani. Number 19 India dan pui chunga article 2 ziak somsari panina 72 clause 1 a chuan president khan mi jail lautang to te angai damin an mani jail tan na po atitop thei chu tiang bokin an mani jail tan na po a sentence ka ti chei thei dam chunga tang tur ani nge aniam ngai dam tlak aniam khang thleng khang thu nei na nei ni. Number 20 president here atakan halen chun executive power anei ve thawa chu article 53 clause 1 a omani. Number 21 legislative power dan siam na president dan siam na hi article 117 a omani. Number 22 India dan pui chunga article 2 ziak 352 of the Indian Constitution a kan India president hian national emergency apung theini national emergency kan ti chuan ram chunga buina in do tu ram le ram in do tu mo ram chunga kan defense ho zong zong hi an chunga kan tank te submarine te kan air fighter te heng zong zong hi in do tu rin a kau chuk theini. Number 23 president hian financial emergency under article 360 apung te financial emergency chu ram chunga sum wangi in dei lo na oma sarkar na thok te hlo po ti niam thei chu tiang bokin department train khata an sum zong zong po ala letin mandan tu aruat thei ram chunga sum in dei lo na nasataka om chuan amar chu hei man ala ni ngai lo ni. Number 24 national emergency kan ti hi ram chunga indo angai in the wangai ta chumi chu voithum puan ani to ni. Number 25 article 356 India dan pui article 356 chu nga hian president's rule apung thini president's rule kan ti om ji chuan ram chu nga entirnan kan in thana le kan mani ram rel bolna duang zani na kallawa in thana boina oma tituan central government atangin president thu nei na atangin state zong zonga ron rel ani MLA te minister te thu ni to loin president thu in governor khan ron rel bokani state ati na ni. Number 26 president's rule kan ti hi Lok Sabha le Rajya Sabha pompui angai thungani house pakhata chi khan pompui khan adik theilo ni. Number 27 president's rule hi house pahnia pompui ani lo chuan kum thlani nuwa a expire zo a extend tangai lo chuan house in pompui lo chuan man chun zom the ni lo ni tina soini. Number 28 ani chuan house chung Lok Sabha le Rajya Sabha president's rule kha lo pompui ta se kum tharuk chugin man the ani. 29 president's rule hi man rei the ani lawa atam bera kum thumbak man the lo ni tina soini. Number 30 president's rule hi article 356 of the constitution a man ani ti chuan hei hi rampum pui emo state big emo a man the ani kha chu president ruat na in aniang. Number 31 article 360 of the Indian Constitution a president in financial emergency apung the ani sum mamo na chungchang. Number 32 financial emergency kan ti ram chunga sum mamo wanga man sum man dan president in aruat fel hi Rajya Sabha le Lok Sabha a an pompui ngai ni. Number 33 financial emergency hi Rajya Sabha chewina pomani chuan apuan ni ani atanga ni somthuma ti to paniang house paninan an pom ngai ni chu. Number 34 national emergency hi article 352 of the Indian Constitution a om ania ti chuan freedom of speech mimal tong du na freedom of expression mimal zalen na an mani an du danan om theina ang chi zong zong le fundamental rights kha man the aniang tina soini. Under number 35 India president hian prime minister te minister dang te chief justice of India te judges of the Supreme Court and High Court te comptroller and auditor general of India te governor te chief election commissioner le election commissioners te kha aruat fel thin tina soini. 36 president hi supreme commander of defense forces India ram chunga defense kan ral thuam travel ber le kan ral thuam indona a hian tungai thu ber president ani prime minister ani lo president. Prime Minister is the head of the Union Central Government. Number 37. Prime Minister hi India ram chunga Central Government a thu ber executive head ani. Number 38. President hian Council of Ministers zong zong te hi aruat fel trin. Ti chuan Prime Minister le President hian Council of Ministers te kha an ruat fel trin. President le Prime Minister khan an thok duna President khan ti chuan aruat fel ani. Number 39. Prime Minister hian cabinet meeting ama cabinet mo minister ho meeting na reng renga ama chairman ani nga ama thu thri nang tina soini. Number 40. Union ministers hold office during the pleasure of the Prime Minister. Ramchunga minister reng ho hian Prime Minister in alo Prime Minister thudlum na Prime Minister thu nei na Prime Minister online an office an pisa an thu thrin tina soini. Number 41. Prime Minister of India hi foreign relationship CM2 appoint mo ani. Number 42. UPA omzienge United Progressive Alliance tinani. Number 43. NDA omzienge National Democratic Alliance tuna kan BJP Sarkar hi NDA BJP Sarkar CM ani. Number 44. SAARC omzienge South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Number 45. Nuclear agreement za somni pathum hi India le America in lo nei to ni chungte chu George Bush le Dr. Manmohan Singh te CM line ani. Number 46. G8 countries kan ti chu Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Russia le USA te ani chu baka chun G8 countries kan ti hian guests an omle chu mi khol te chu Brazil, China, India, Mexico le South America ni. G20 kan ti chu finance minister le central bank government 9 economic plus European Union country atangin European Union country atangin an tel chau ti na ani. Chuan number 48. A member te chu Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, EU, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, South Korea, Turkey, UK and USA ni. Number 49. IAEA omzienge International Atomic Energy tinani. 50. Prime inter pares means first among equals. It means Prime Minister is the head of the ministers tinani. Number 51. Council of Ministers te hi India dan pui siam na chunga hian an thu thinan poi mo tina soini. Number 52. Prime Minister Office athut na hi Prime Minister's Office tinan soi thin bokani. Number 53. Prime Minister Office tu siam nge Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru siam ani. Number 54. Prime Minister hi Planning Commission of India tia soi thin Niti Aayog ka hian chairman ani. Prime Minister hi National. Number 55. Prime Minister hi National Development Council chairman and thin bokani. Number 56. Cabinet Secretary hi India Ram Civil Service sang berani. Cabinet Secretary hi. Number 57. An tham dan chu an poi mo dan ni nani tinan soi Indian Civil Servants atang an tham thini. 58. British Viceroy Lord William Khan Private Secretary kha allow introducing allow war thar ani. Number 59. President Lom Lu hi tuinge tiang Chief Justice of India in Supreme Court athu berani ha. Number 60. Prime Minister Lom Lu na hi tuinge ceremony allow Lom Lu tang President of India in. Number 61. Chief Minister le Minister dang te hi an office an lua masak ber don in tuinge allow Lom Lu tang Governor in. Number 62. Cabinet Secretary hi ramchunga na poimo na sang tak nang chunga sarkara na poimo ber le sang ber thok tu te ani civil servant zinga Cabinet Secretary hi an hlo atam ber ani. Number 63. Cabinet Secretary hi civil service atanga a senior ber le allow service rate to upa ber te atanga than an ni thin ani. 64. Presidential election in India hi engtinge an soi thin single transferable vote and voting is secret ballot voi khatsi vote te ani kami ballot vote na po kha a secret ani tu mal hretur ani lo ni 65 President of India hi tuna kan President of India Ramnath Kovind hi trong tu chela walo borol ta se or ama in adu thuin bang ta se interim president to mangaya ti chuan ama office lo lum tur chuan kan Vice President of India in alu lumang tin asoy ni khangsom khani ro se